A very warm welcome to one and all to this Onam celebration 2020. This is the first of a kind which is we are doing in Sasken, the virtual meet and greet. Thank you each and everyone to join this particular time in the evening and being part of this Onam celebration 2020. സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെയും
Welcome
ഐശ്വര്യത്തിന്റെയും
all.
yeah, സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെയും ഐശ്വര്യത്തിന്റെയും സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധിയുടെയും സമാധാനത്തിന്റെയും ആയുരാരോഗ്യത്തിന്റെയും സർവോപരി സന്തോഷത്തിന്റെയും ഒരു പൊന്നോണം ആശംസിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. എ വെരി വെരി happy Thiruvanam wishes to each and everyone who is part of this particular Onam virtual meet and greet celebration. Each program will start with the praying to the God Almighty. And during this particular time, it is very important that we are always remembering the God to making sure that okay, we are ticking each and every day. We are hearing a lot of negativities, we are hearing a lot of problems, but still we are together as a team and taking further each day as it comes. ഈശ്വരനെ ധ്യാനിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ആകണം ഈശ്വര പ്രാർത്ഥനയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി നമ്മുടെ ശാസ്യനായ വന്ദന നായരുടെ മകളെ ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. കുമാരി ദിവ്യ മനോജ് നായർ, prayer song by our Vandana Nayar's daughter. Over to you, Vandana. Manoj, can you check that again? Vandana is there?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can switch on the video.
Hello everyone. Vanna here.
Hi, Vandana.
Hi, Vandana.
Hello.
Where is your daughter? Divya
Yeah.
Manoj Nair. We're waiting for him
Yes.
to hear from her. Logam Mujuvan Sugam Pagaranai. She's there. Prayer song by Divya Manoj Nair. Logam Mujuvan Sugam Pagaranai. Hold your hands together for this prayer song.
പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ കഥന കനിവിന്നുറവേ കാറ്റിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ പുല്ലിൽ പൂവിൽ ജീവിയിൽ വനച്ചരളിൽ ജീവബിന്ദുവിൻ അമൃതം തൂക്കിയായി ലോകപാലക ജഗദീശ ആനന്ദത്തിൻ അരുണകിരണമായി അന്ധകാരമിതിൽ അവതരിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ കഥന നിവാരണ കനിവിന്നുറവേ കാറ്റിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was so nice of Divya Manoj Kumar. Next is an Onam documentary. Please sit back and relax and enjoy the cultural diversity of Kerala, tradition rooted to Onam festival and secular tone of this mega festival of Kerala. ഓണത്തെ കുറിച്ച് ഒരു ചെറിയ ഡോക്യുമെന്ററി. I'm just sharing the screen.
ഞാൻ എന്തിയെ
54-3.
മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
No, Joyce, you have to share the video.
Are you able to see?
No, Joyce, you have to share the video, I think.
One second, hold on.
Joyce is taking this concept of virtual totally a different level. Joyce, that's
Yeah. I'm just sharing again. Sorry. I will just ask that whether you are able to view. One sec. Are you able to see the?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you able to hear now?
Yes.
Are you able to hear?
Yes.
Yes.
All good, Joyce.
Right. Thank you.
മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം പാടത്തെ പാട്ടിൽ നിന്നോർത്തെടുക്കാം ഈണങ്ങൾ മേടത്തിൽ ചിങ്ങത്തിൽ പൂത്തിറങ്ങും വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ എണ്ണിത്തീരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ചൊല്ലിത്താ കഥകൾ നിറയും പല മട്ടുക്കും പാട്ടുകൾ പാടിത്താ മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് തീരത്തെ പമ്പയാറ്റിനോരത്തെ പൂന്തോപ്പിൽ മങ്കാവിൽ നാളികേരത്തോട്ടത്തിൽ തത്തി പോകും പൂങ്കാറ്റേ രുചികൾ പടരും മരുതപ്പാട്ടിൻ നീട്ടുകൾ മൂളിത്താ മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
I hope you enjoyed this short video, which has the cultural diversity as well as it shows the different art forms and dance forms in Kerala. Next, may I request Nida Madam, our CFO, to say a few words to this Onam gathering. Nida Madam, please.
Okay, so let me start by wishing you all a very happy Onam. Let me try in your own language. If I make a mistake, please excuse me.
For sure.
I believe it's Ona Asham Sagal.
Yeah, absolutely fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for putting in this effort, like you do every year. And I just wish you all a lovely celebration. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam, for those kind words and the Onam wishes to all of us. And may I request our President and COO of SASCN, Edwin Moses, to address the gathering and say a few words. Edwin, sir, over to you.
Thank you, Joyce. I think I'm not going to try to challenge Neeta at all. I'm not taking a chance. All right, so she's declared winner for the evening and done. All right, first of all, guys, very happy Onam to all of you. God's richest blessing in each of your homes. May homes be always filled with joy, happiness, peace, and plenty. When I look at Onam and the fact that we're celebrating in the context of a larger family called SASCN, and this morning, when I saw that invite, I was planning my day. I start my day very early, but as I was planning, I said, what should that mean to us in SASCN? I'm not going to tell you what it means to you in your home, because you know what it means to you in your home. I don't have to tell you that. And it'll mean wonderful things in your home. And I'm sure each of your homes at this moment is filled with so much of happiness and joy. But in the context of SASCN, when I look at Onam and said, what is it I wanted to learn from Onam? What is it I know about Onam and all the friends in Kerala that I have in multitudes in different parts of the world and in India? There are only three thoughts that come to me of everything I know from Onam. Three things that I wish to learn from Onam and bring back to my place of my larger family, my place of work. Yeah, and the first one is that if you look at the one of the interpretations of Onam, Onam is celebrating the return every year, the homecoming of somebody to come and look at the land he loves, the people that he served. And for us, that's what Onam has got to mean, that every time we come back home to SASCN, every day we come in through the year, we got to remind ourselves we're coming back to serve a place that we love. This is the first thing I take away from Onam. The second thing that I take away from Onam is the whole concept of unity and diversity that it brings in. There are not too many festivals in this country that somebody can say, everybody celebrates it. If it was, unfortunately, even in church, everything is virtual today. But I remember every year when I went to the Sunday that preceded an Onam, or Onam came before a Sunday, everybody would be there. All the Malayalis in my church would be there with that white sari. It never meant the festival of any single person. And I think for me, the aspect of Onam brings what I've always said is going to be so critical for us. We're going to be stronger together. Across cross functions, across levels, ages, experience, capabilities, competencies, value systems apart, I think that we should be all together in. But that aside, this is about unity and diversity. That's the second thing that we take from Onam and we want to bring back to this larger family that we call SASCN. And the last thing that I think Onam tells us is Onam is a harvest festival. And for me, whenever I look at harvest, I'm reminded that there is no harvest without planting. What we sow is what we reap. And because it's a harvest festival, it's celebrated because somebody sowed and somebody nurtured that plants and that land, and that resulted in an outcome. It's going to be the same with us as we go on this huge transformational journey together. We got to plant wisely, we got to nurture wisely, and then we will harvest in plenty. Just 3 thoughts on Onam that I wanted to leave behind. I wish you well. I wish you lots of blessings on behalf of Rajiv, Neeta, Anu, and myself. We talk every day. We see ourselves as part of the team that has to work with everybody else to make this organization great and greater than it is today. So happy Onam to all of you. God's blessings once again to each of you and your families. And thank you for inviting us to be part of this celebration. On behalf of Rajiv, his morning when we talked about, he said, I miss that sapad. Whatever he meant, I don't know. But he said, I miss it. So somebody thought he's a Nigerian who hasn't eaten for a long time or something, but he just misses it. So we all miss that contact. I wish this wasn't virtual and it was real face to face, but nothing like this. I think, thank you for organizing it, Joyce and everybody else. God bless. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Edwin, sir, for that insightful and thought-provoking and enlightening speech and your thoughts. Thanks a lot. And Shapada means basically in Onam, we call it as Onam Sadhya. And Rajiv always tell that, okay, we look forward for this particular celebration, especially during the lunchtime, to have this around 25 items will be there, usually in our auditorium. So he used to come and sit along with us and have this Onam Sadhya. But this time it is all virtual, and the people are also having this virtual Onam Sadhya photo sharing.
I'm sure.
Thanks a
Next
lot.
year,
Thanks
you
a
should
lot.
have 50 dishes. 25
Right.
for this year, 25 for next year.
Yeah, for sure. God willing, we will. Okay, next is a solo performance by our very own Paurnami Pramod. Okay, Paurnami, നമ്മൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി തിരുവാവണി രാവ് എന്ന ഗാനം ആലപിക്കുന്നു. Paurnami, over to you for this solo performance. Please switch on your video as well as audio. Thank you.
Hi. I think I should show my Pookalam also here.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. We can see. Wow.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So I'll just sing 4 lines because I would say I've really not prepared anything. I'll just sing what it comes.
In fact,
Okay.
I forced her to sing this.
Okay. തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട് തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ തിരുവോണപ്പാട്ട് മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട് പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ 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 പൊലി പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ. Thank you.
Hey, that was really awesome. A huge round of applause to Paurnami for rendering that one of the very famous Onam song. Thank you, Paurnami, for that wonderful song.
Thank you so much for this chance.
Yeah, thank you, Paurnami. Thank you. Thanks a lot. അടുത്തതായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ഗ്ലോബൽ HR ഹെഡ് അനു സക്രിയെ ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു ഓണം 2020 വെർച്വൽ സെലിബ്രേഷൻ ഗ്യാതറിംഗിനെ അഡ്രസ് ചെയ്യാനായി. അനു മാഡം, over to you.
Thank you, Joyce. Being a true blue Mallu, I'm going to start off by addressing the group in Malayalam as well. Ellavarkum ende hridayam naranja Onam Ashamsakal. My heartfelt Onam greetings to everybody. As I was reflecting like Edwin on the significance of the day today, I've come to realize that in almost all cultures, all societies, all religions around the world, there's some belief, some myth or some memory of a past where mankind lived in perfect happiness, perfect equality, perfect harmony with nature. For me, Onam is one such community event, a celebration of a time in the past where all men and women were equal. Surely, all of us, people and communities, have a lot to learn from Onam. I do know that Onam has been celebrated with a lot of gusto, a lot of fanfare at our office in Domblur over many, many years. And despite being miles away from each other, during this time, this year, the memories of the good festive time that we've all celebrated over the years are still warm and in many, many hearts, including my own. Leading up to this day today, I can't tell you how many photographs and how many pictures I've seen of previous years' Onam celebrations of women and men in festive wear, kasava saris and munda, fresh faces, freshly oiled hairs with flowers, making everybody look even more beautiful than they actually are. Beautiful pookalams in our reception with the glow of the traditional lamp. Over hundreds seated in the cafeteria being served, what, a 9 or 10 course meal with, I'm told, minimum 3 variants of payasam served on the banana leaf. These are all memories. And I've also been told that the traditional dance, the Tiruvadara, being played out by enthusiastic women who I'm sure spent hours to practice to the beat and the rhythm of the chanda, and many more such memories truly warm all our hearts. Just seeing the photographs, I've been missing the events that each of you have lived in over many years. But I know this year, this time, we've been presented with a very unique opportunity to celebrate this festival with our own families. Decorate our beautiful homes, like I've seen Paurnami shared the pookalam in our own homes. I'm sure each of you have ones too. Cook and serve families the best of foods together and enjoy a meal together with families and friends. It's a day that forces us to get off the treadmill and be grateful for families and for the blessings of the season. So I am with you, cherishing these happy moments. I wish you and your family a life as colorful as the Pokalam, as festive as this Onam festival can be, and as prosperous as the bountiful harvest that every season in your life brings. God bless each one of you. Thank you, Joyce.
Thanks a lot, Anu Madam, for your kind words and all the wishes to the complete people who are there in this virtual Onam celebration 2020. And as you have said, that it is basically a fanfare in Saskin, basically this Onam celebration. It started way back in 2006, as far as I remember, when a group of people started just a Pookalam and along with some chips distribution. So you can see next one is a short video of Onam glimpses from 2019, what we have celebrated in Saskin. And you can see that all the things which you have told in your address to this this gathering, you can see that one in a short glimpse just in a while. Please sit back and relax and enjoy this short video. Thanks a lot for the people who has rendered this particular thing. Vinesh, Sanal, Chantu and Sachin for making sure that this video is put together in short period of time, and just in a minute you'll be able to see that. I'm sharing my screen.
Thank you.
Are you able to see the video?
Yes, Joyce. Yes.
Are you able to see the hear the audio?
Yes.
Yes, Joyce.
Yeah.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ 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 പൊലി പൂവേ 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 പൊലി പൂവേ പൊലി പൂവേ 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 കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നുടെ നെഞ്ചിൽ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ, നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ. കുടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നുടെ നെഞ്ചിൽ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ, നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. കുടുക്കു പൊട്ടിയ കുപ്പായം ഉടുത്തു മണ്ടണ കാലത്തെ മിടുക്കി പെണ്ണെ എന്നുടെ നെഞ്ചിൽ നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ, നടുക്കിരുന്നവളാണേ നീ. നടവരമ്പത്തിൽ കണ്ടാലും പഠിക്കൽ അങ്ങനെ നിന്നാലും പടച്ചെറപ്പേ പിന്നെന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ, പടക്ക പീടിക കത്തുന്നേ. അരിക്കലത്തിലും പൊന്നമ്മ കാശൊളിപ്പിച്ച പോലെ ഞാൻ ഒതുക്കി വെച്ചത് പുതുക്കം കണ്ടവൻ പറിച്ചെടുത്തത് കണ്ടില്ലേ, പറിച്ചെടുത്തത് കണ്ടില്ലേ. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. On the floor, baby, hit it hard, baby, rock the party, baby, patulengi podi. കുടിച്ചിറക്കിയ കണ്ണീരിൽ അടിച്ചു തെന്നി ഞാൻ വീഴുമ്പം പിടിച്ചു നിൽക്കാൻ പഴുതടയ്ക്കും ചിരിച്ചിരിക്കല്ലേ ചങ്ങാതി, ചിരിച്ചിരിക്കല്ലേ ചങ്ങാതി.
Thank you. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that short glimpse which we have rendered together of 2019 Onam celebration in Sasken Faxi in Domblur, our corporate office. Right. Okay. Next is we were sitting this much time for past half an hour. So now just to get up and do some kind of activity. Okay. So next is Onam games. Okay, so over to Ameya and Vishal to take it over.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Joyce.
Thank you, Joyce. Good afternoon, everyone. So
I will switch off my sharing. You can do that one, Vishal.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
All right. So as part of the Onam celebrations, Ameya and I actually kind of pulled together and we tried to find some. We thought we'd have like a small, quick, fun treasure hunt for everyone who's part of this call. Now we know that your sadhya has ended today, so but we came up with a short list of some items for you to try and get from your home, and it's also a little bit of a memory game for you as such. So I'll just share my screen with a list of items that hopefully you should be able to get all of them. So
And we would like all of you to switch on your videos as well who's participating in this game.
Yeah. So let me know once you can see the list.
Yes, we can. So the first item is Inji Puli. I think that is the most common in your sadhya. Banana chips sauce, the banana leaf, lemon, and it could be any color, orange or yellow flowers, vada, and papadam.
So it's 5:04 according to my watch. You have 10 minutes, and just hope you can get as many items as you can.
Get going, guys. Get going.
Get going.
Oh, Joyce is up. I think he's taking the lead. All right, we have some teamwork. Some people staying in front of the monitor to try and figure out the items. Joyce, memory game, Joyce. Okay.
Memory game.
Memory, right? I
Yeah,
have to go downstairs to take it.
Okay, I will stop sharing now. I hope everyone's remembered the list.
There we go. We have one participant there. Archana.
Oh,
Who's
actually.
got? Yes, Anu has it too.
Oh, okay. Anu, you're on mute.
Banana.
Anu, you're on mute. Sorry. Even Archana,
Got
you're all
banana
mute.
chips.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, I think it's like a.
I think you got to share them too, Anu. No point holding on to banana chips.
On your behalf, Swami, here goes one.
Oh my God.
Unfortunately, 4D isn't there. Otherwise, Anu could have gone through the screen and just fed it to Swami.
Banana.
Okay, Manu just got one more banana.
Cheta.
Nimi
Alright.
seems to have got the whole tree home.
All right. Oh yeah, she
This
got like a stack. No vadas, anyone?
Vada is not available, yaar. For Onam, it is not there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, I bet Purnami has got all the 25 dishes.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Neil Contents here with the flowers. All right. Perfect. So it's a joint effort, everyone. Like you all managed to find at least one item, which is amazing. I think once Joyce
See, I
comes.
have found everything.
Oh.
See, my eyeliner is here. The entire food is kept here. If you see, you can find whatever you want. You name it, I'll give you.
Hey, Danzo, I'll give you my address.
Yeah. And Sanal is showing. Okay, Sanal I think is showing his entire Sadhya spread, like right there.
Wow.
Oh, Edwin, hello, sir.
Hi there.
Yeah. So we're all just.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're just window shopping at the spread right now.
I liked it.
Purnami,
Window
I can
shopping.
give you my address. Please, Danzo all that food.
Please give me. I will definitely do that. There is so much that I made so much that I'll have to end up eating it for the whole week.
We would share all our addresses, Purnami. You can Danzo it to all of us.
Please just send me. I'm seriously, it will be very good.
Okay. All right. Our MC of the event, Joyce, has gone down. I think he'll probably come back up with every item listed out.
No, I don't think vada is something which you are not going to find. If you had put appam, I would have shown you. I have only appam also.
I got almost all items. I will show you.
There you
Just
go.
a
There
moment.
you go.
Joyce.
I hope you're not into insider trading, Joyce.
No, Swami, this list was not shown to anyone. This was a complete surprise for everyone on this call.
Maybe I will show that.
All
Okay.
right.
So you're able to see this is the leaf.
Perfect.
This is the pappadam.
Perfect.
Okay. And this is the lemon. Two colors. One is green and one is yellow.
Perfect.
Okay. And yellow color flower. Okay.
Yes.
And,
Same as
another
Manoj.
one is
Perfect.
another one is orange color flower.
Wow.
Okay. And there are some more flowers here. And one full pack of chips. If we are together, I could have distributed.
Joyce, you're the winner.
Just
presenting like this.
I can show you that. Okay, this is the thing, and I couldn't get Inji Puli. I think already people have ate that particular thing and finished, I suppose.
that was a risk, but yeah, we'll accept that, of course.
All right. Okay,
We're
and
just
vada is usually in the evening, but then it is not yet prepared.
Okay. We took a gamble because we
That's
thought
it.
this
Let
call
me
was
keep it back.
All right, sure. Thank you, Joyce. Amazing work, everyone.
I hope who all bought this one. Manoj, very serious. I have taken a picture also. I'll share. Right.
Evidence.
Manoj
You're presenting
showed.
evidence.
Manoj
It's
showed.
so
if I remember-
six items. Vada is not there.
Okay, rest everything you got, huh? Good.
He's always into CMMI, you know, evidences.
Right.
We had. Thank you, everyone. That was amazing participation from all. You made everyone envious of your spirit as part of the celebration. And
Thanks a lot, Amey and Vishal, to putting up this idea and even keeping a secret with the Onam core group committee and making sure that you are keeping that. We also participate in that one. Thanks a lot for that. It was a bit of running around. And next is a solo performance by our own Archana Ramdasan, Puvuli Ponnonamai. Over to you, Archana. Please sing it along.
Archana, please unmute yourself.
Archana, please unmute. You are on mute.
Yeah. I am unmuted now. Yeah.
Okay.
You can also sing along, right? It's a very peppy song. Okay, I'll start. പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണ തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളിയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവളയിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാനായി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണ തുമ്പി പൂ കൊണ്ടു മൂടും പൊന്നും ചിങ്കത്തിൽ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴൽ കാറ്റത്താടും ചെമ്പാവിൻ പാടം പൂ കൊണ്ടു മൂടും പൊന്നും ചിങ്കത്തിൽ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴൽ കാറ്റത്താടും ചെമ്പാവിൻ പാടം ഇന്നെ കൊയ്യാം നാളെ ചെന്നാൽ അത്തം ചിത്തിരച്ചോതി ഇന്നെ കൊയ്യാം നാളെ ചെന്നാൽ അത്തം ചിത്തിരച്ചോതി പൊന്നലിൽ പൊന്മല പൂമുട്ടും തോറും നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോല തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവളയിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാനായി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണ തുമ്പി മാറിവെൽ മാല മാന പൂന്തോപ്പിൽ മാനിൻ സ്വപ്ന പൂമാലയായി പമ്പ തീരത്ത് മാറിവെൽ മാല മാന പൂന്തോപ്പിൽ മാനിൻ സ്വപ്ന പൂമാലയായി പമ്പ തീരത്ത് തുമ്പപ്പൂക്കൾ നന്ദ്യാവൃത്തം തെച്ചി ചെമ്പരത്തി തുമ്പപ്പൂക്കൾ നന്ദ്യാവൃത്തം തെച്ചി ചെമ്പരത്തി പൂക്കളം പാടിടും പൂമുറ്റം തോറും നീ വരൂ പൂവാളത്തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളയിൽ മോഹിം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവളയിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാനായി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നന തുമ്പി.
Thanks a lot, Archana. That was really awesome. Okay, a huge round of applause to Archana for making sure that this Puvuli Ponnonamai, one of the very, very famous song during this Onam time. Next is related to what is your now we already saw some documentaries. We have seen some kind of cultural activities, some songs. Now, just to understand your understanding about the Onam. Okay, ഓണത്തെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള അവഗാഹം അളക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇതാ ഓണം കിസുമായി നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടുകാർ സനൽ, ചന്തു, ഉനൈസ് and team sit back. A small kind of request, everybody please mute, and then they will give the kind of instruction that okay related to this Onam quiz. What all are the things to be done? Over to Sanal, Chandu, Unais and team. Onam quiz.
Thank you, Joyce. Welcoming all to the Onam quiz. Firstly, wishing each and everyone a happy and joyful Onam. So going straight away to the Onam quiz structure, we are having two sections, and the section one will be like based on the history and celebration involved in it. And the section B will be like a funny part, like we are just putting up the 2019 our Onam celebration, and we'll be asking some tricky questions and funny questions on that. So we are hoping like each and everyone will enjoy that. And the rule for that is like we are using the fastest fingers first. So you can just take up the chat box and the emoji box there, right? And in that one, you can use the second emoji in the first line, that is big smile. Like I just been send one here in the chat box. You can check that, and like it will be conducted by Sanal and Unis. And once they finish the question, you can just straight away give the smiley. So the first 3% will be like nominated to answers. Like those three will be selected to have their answers. They can say share their answer. And if the first person who is telling it is correct, then he will be the winner. Like he will be getting 10 points for that. So like at the end of the both round, which person who is having the like most maximum points, he will be like the winner for our quiz. So that's the rule for this, and we'll begin that and hope that will be real fun and joy. And over to you, Sanal and Unis. Just get started. So everyone just brace up and get ready. Okay, Sanal, you can start.
Hi, happy Onam to everyone. We'll start the questions. First question: who was the grandfather of great Mahabali?
Can you please repeat the question once again, Sanal?
I will repeat. Who is the grandfather of Mahabali?
We have answered.
Okay.
Yeah, but against our rule. Firstly, she should send that. The smiley should be there and should.
Yeah. So.
Should... Okay, from the second one,
we will do is that, okay, we can ask the person who has put this particular answer to tell that.
Okay.
Arya, louder.
Arya, can you?
Yeah, it's Prahlad.
Yeah, correct answer.
The answer is correct, but our rule was like that.
Sorry,
the first finger should work out. It's
so,
from second one.
Sir has put Bahubali.
It's wrong.
Okay, then we'll move to second question. Which district is popular for Pulikali as a part of Onam celebration? I will repeat. Which district in Kerala is popular for Pulikali as a part of Onam celebration?
I think Joey Setam will answer it first because he has given that smile.
So first is I put, then Rajiv, yeah. Then Paurnami, then
yeah.
Then okay, so it is Thrissur.
Yes, correct.
Thrissur or Thrissur.
Thrissur Perur.
Thrissur Perur. Rajiv, KRR's own place or Paurnami's own place.
Joy Setan got 10 points.
Yeah, good.
What is the next?
So next question also related to Pulikali only. So Pulikali is performed on the dash day. So we are celebrating Onam as a first Onam, second Onam, like that. So in which day of Onam Pulikali is celebrated? Again, Swami sir violated the rule.
Who is answering? Swami sir
Swami
first.
sir already answered the question. But he violated the rule.
My bad.
Okay.
So we'll move. So we can disqualify the questions.
The answer was correct.
Yeah, answer is correct only. Fourth day of Onam only Pulikali is celebrated.
Red card
So
for
no
red
point.
card for Sami sir, huh?
It's against the rules. Like.
So
Yeah, go ahead.
Next question is related to Attachamam only. Which place is associated with famous Attachamam? Attachamam.
Manoj has put
Ernakulam
this
district.
smiley first. Manoj, go ahead.
Tripunitara.
Is it right answer, Quiz Master?
Yes, correct only.
All right, okay. Tripunitara. Clap for Manoj. Okay. Next question, please. So who is scoring? Chandu is scoring.
Yeah, I am looking
You're
at
scoring.
it,
Okay,
yeah.
good. Go ahead. Sanal.
So next question is, name the Malayalam days from Attam to Tiruvonam.
Chandu, can you repeat that?
Name the days, Malayalam month days. From Attam to Tiruvonam.
10 days. Okay.
Those 10 dates.
Nimmi, who has put it? Arya has put it. Arya, Nimmi, Manoj.
So, Arya, you
So
can,
first one is
you
Arya.
can speak. You can
put on a video.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
it should be order.
In order.
Attam, Chitira, Chodi, Vishakam, Aniram, Triketa, Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam, Tiruvonam.
Super.
Correct.
Yeah, super. It is correct only.
Super.
So 10 points.
10 points for Arya Pillai. Next.
Okay.
Super.
6 questions, sir.
So, everyone has seen that video documentary related to 2019 Sasken Onam celebration. I am going to ask a question from that. Who played the role of Maveli in Sasken Onam celebration 2019? I will repeat. Who?
Onam core committee cannot participate in this one, especially Manoj.
I will not participate. That's the reason.
Arya Pillai again. Arya Pillai again. Fastest finger first. Ameya second. Oops. Swami sir. Swami sir.
Again violated the rule.
So who is it?
Arya gave the answer away.
Yeah.
That's why I said oops.
Okay. So Arya Pillai minus point is there.
No, I sent the smiley and then answer.
Right.
No answer you should tell after.
Okay, go ahead. Jason Daniel was the Maveli in last year's Onam celebration. I hope he is there in this particular virtual meet.
So,
Jason, if you are there, please put on your video.
Question is,
yeah.
So point is for Arya, like we're giving points, right?
Right. Okay, go ahead, Sanal. Next question.
So related to next question is related to Malayalam calendar only. So according to Malayalam calendar, which is this? I repeat. According to Malayalam calendar, which is audible?
No.
According to Malayalam calendar, is it audible?
No, you are not audible. Chandu, please repeat the question if you have that.
Sanal, I think you should just do audio because you have poor bandwidth perhaps.
Yeah, maybe you can cut off the video.
Okay. Is it audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. Which year is this according to Malayalam calendar? The question. Which year is this according to calendar?
Okay,
Hello, is it audible?
According to Malayalam calendar, okay, which year is this one? For now it is 2020. So Malayalam calendar is having another kind of this one. Which year is this year? If you have any Malayalam Manorama calendar is there, you can look there. Manoj, you can look in front of you. Is there any Malayalam Manorama or some calendar is there?
Right side it is not there.
1196.
Which one?
1196.
Aha. So
Yes,
cute
correct
voice. Who is
only.
that? 1196, right?
Yes, correct.
Vandana Nayars. Okay. Wow. Okay. Is it correct, Kiss Masters?
Yes, correct only.
Correct.
Very-
Only 1196. Okay. Huge round of applause. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
So we'll move on to next question.
Hmm.
So this is related to some Onam celebration. So in some part of Kerala, hello, is it audible?
Is it audible?
Yeah.
It's audible. Go ahead.
Some part of Kerala, the celebration named Onathalle, which is fighting with each is celebrated. So, hello,
Sanal,
is
can
it
somebody else
audible?
ask the questions? The audio is not clear.
Chandu, can you have
Yeah. He's asking which part of Kerala is famous for Onathalle. Which part
Fighting,
of Kerala
Onathalle.
is famous? Yeah.
I don't have any idea.
Who is it? I don't have. I also don't have.
All the path?
No.
Nobody knows. Then Kiss Masters is going to get the. Arya has put the smiley. So Arya, again, you are a encyclopedia.
Is it Palakkad district?
Where?
I'm not sure of the answer, but I think it is either Thrissur or Palakkad, but I'm not sure.
We will
Palakkad,
give a
certain
clue.
place is there. Exact place is there, I think, Palakkad.
Yeah.
Anybody else want to give it a try?
Anyone want?
Onathalle means fight, literally fighting each other. It's a custom. Ottapalam.
That is my manager only.
Kannur.
Chittur. Vivek is telling Chittur.
We will give a clue. Cricket items.
Nimi, it is not Kannur.
It is Thrissur or Palakkad, but I just don't know which one. I'm sure.
Right,
Palakkad
okay.
only. Palakkad, one place is there. That exact place name is there. That
Go
only
ahead,
they are
go
looking
ahead,
for.
Kiss Masters. Go ahead, Kiss Masters. Time out.
Answer is Kundangulam.
Kundangulam.
That's Thrissur, right? That is in Thrissur, right?
Kuttankulam.
Ah,
That's
that
what I
is
said. That's why I said it's Thrissur or Palakkad. Yeah.
Right. Okay, go ahead. Next question. It's over. Chandu.
Yeah, Sanal. I think Sanal is having some network trouble. So, is Unais there? Unais.
Yeah.
Unesh, put on your video, please.
Unais is not there.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah. Please ask question, Unesh.
Okay. So, hi. First of all, happy Onam to all. So,
Happy Onam.
I'm going to So, I'm going to ask one of the question based on our previous year's Onam celebration. So, question is, who first participated in the competition of Sundari Pottutodan?
Wow. I know the person.
Swami sir.
Smiley.
Yeah. Swami sir only. It was there in the previous video.
Yeah.
Yes.
And he was blindfolded to go and give a bindi to the beautiful lady.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So, I think we covered almost all questions. So, it's all. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Unesh and Chandu and Sanal and Sachin for making sure that at least we are grinding our thoughts. Especially the last question was very, very correct question to ask at this particular point of time. Swami sir was actually blindfolded and was taken towards that Sundari, and Swami sir was trying to put the potta on the correct forehead, but it was not happened. And now just let me sit back and relax, and let me put one more small audio Onam documentary, Onam greetings. Just let me.
Wait, what about the winner of the quiz? Will I get download gift?
Yeah. It will come on Amazon.
Okay.
Maybe we'll send a truckload of things.
Thank you.
Please let me know. Are you able to see the video?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear? Are you able to hear?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
No audio.
No audio.
Joyce, no audio.
No audio. Sorry. One
No
second.
audio, Joyce.
Audio is not there. Okay, hold on. Maybe I will reshare it. Hold on. Is the audio there? Is the audio there?
Yes.
തിരുവോണം പൊലിയോ തിരുമക്കൾ പൊലിയോ തിരുവോണം തിരുമക്കൾ മലനാടും പൊലിയോ തിരുവോണം തിരുമക്കൾ മലനാടും പൊലിയോ.
Hope you have enjoyed this particular video. And next is one of our little prince singing Onam song, our Jayasree Pai's niece. Over to you, Jayasree. Sharanya. Hope I got the name correctly. Jayasree.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Happy Onam to all.
Onam Vanallu. Happy Onam.
ഓണം വന്നല്ലോ ഊഞ്ഞാലിട്ടല്ലോ കൂടിയൊടുത്തല്ലോ ഉണ്ണി ചാടി മരുന്നല്ലോ കൂട്ടുകാരെ വരുന്നില്ലേ വീട്ടിലിരുന്നാലോ സന്ധ്യ വരും മുമ്പേ ഉണ്ണി പണ്ടു കളിക്കണ്ടേ സന്ധ്യ വരും മുമ്പേ ഉണ്ണി പണ്ടു കളിക്കണ്ടേ ഓണം വന്നല്ലോ ഊഞ്ഞാലിട്ടല്ലോ കൂടിയൊടുത്തല്ലോ ഉണ്ണി ചാടി മറിഞ്ഞല്ലോ.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was really nice. Okay, really good. A big round of applause to Sharanya. Thank you. May I request our inspiration, our Swami sir to address the Onam 2020 gathering and share the closing remarks. Swami sir, over to you, sir.
Hey, thanks. I don't know where this started, the tradition of knighthood, but I'm happy. I think I enjoy the knighthood. Thank you, Joyce Cheta. But actually, the thanks are due to you guys. I know none of you have an easy job in this time of virtual working. It's a stressed environment. There's a lot of work to do. But Joyce, just to name you, Paurnami, Manoj Cheta, people who conducted the quiz, Moideen, Chandu, Sanal, every one of you, Arya, Nimi, in the background, if I missed some names, my apology, have done an excellent work. I also would like to thank my team, Ameya and Vishal, young and new to this, who have gone at length to make sure that we have a wonderful get together. We had these conversations, Joyce and team. I promise you, when this COVID thing ends, 50 dishes, Sadhya, everyone will remember. But like Edwin said, what should we take away from Onam? I think Trivikrama mythologically took 3 steps. I think we must take these 3 or 4 steps. First, let us be human. That's number 1. Second, let's be happy. That's number 2. Third, let's be harmonious. Nothing divides us. I think the same amount of chromosomes everyone has, whether you're Hindu, Christian, Muslim, or any other faith. I think we need to bring this harmony. We need to look at being human. We need to look at very simple things. I think that's the message you guys brought out so well. Every one of you, I bow down to. I celebrate this spirit. You're going to make me walk about 2 feet tall as I get out now and have a nice stretch. Wonderful, guys. Keep up the spirit. And 2021 Onam, you better watch out. Saskin is going to be really celebrating it big. Well done, guys. Big round of applause to all the organizers. Come on, make it count.
Thanks a lot, Swami sir. You are always inspirational, and always we look forward for you to make sure that I would say that a little bit of the background of this particular program. We all were in multiple different parts of Kerala or in Bangalore, and Swami sir personally called each one of us and pushed very hard, telling that guys, what's the problem? It's virtual, but still we have to make it and make this one happen, so that at least the people will see each other. People can meet each other and at least hear the voice and do the things. So thanks a lot, Swami sir, and Anu madam, and Edwin Moses sir, as well as Neda madam, to join our this virtual Onam celebration 2020 and make it count. And it was really wonderful to be along with you guys for past 1 hour. And I request each one of you to join together for the next, the last event of this particular virtual Onam celebration. We have our song, which is Maveli Nadu Vanidam Kalam. Okay, I will put the lyrics on on the screen sharing. Please sing along. Okay, both Malayalam as well as Manglish is also there in that one. And I request each one of our people who are very proficient in singing and who are not so proficient in singing. Swami sir is laughing. I can see that. Okay. Okay, to sing along and make it count and be in these festivities. Today is Thiruvonam Day. So we all together are singing that olden days, which happens to be one of the very, very famous time in Kerala's history. And this happens because of that one, the secularism, as well as all the people together, be it Christians, be it Muslims, be it Hindus, be it any kind of caste and creed. People are joined together as a single unit, unit, and then celebrate this one any part of the world. If you take basically from Australia, maybe to Japan, all the people are celebrating today Onam, at least in small groups because of this COVID-19, and at least getting some kind of energy as well as enthusiasm and peace of mind with this particular thing. With this, let me share my screen, and I request Paurnami as well as the people who are trained in classical music to please sing along with us so that you will cover up us. I also request Swami sir as well as Edwin Moses sir and Anu madam to sing along.
Sure.
Maybe we can start. Paurnami, if you're there, please lead. I think she's not there. So maybe I will only start then. Paurnami, you're there?
Joyce is getting nerves now. Joyce, start. Otherwise, I'll make Anu.
I will start.
I think Anu should start. Come on.
മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തങ്ങാർക്കും മുട്ടില്ല മാവേലി നാടു വണിടും കാലം പോലെ ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തങ്ങാർക്കുമൊട്ടില്ല താനും ആദികൾ വ്യാധികളൊന്നുമില്ല ബാലമരണങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാനില്ല ദുഷ്ടരെ കൺകൊണ്ട് കാണാനില്ല നല്ലവരില്ല നല്ലവരല്ലാതെ ഇല്ല പാരിൽ ടുഗദർ എവരിബഡി മാവേലി നാട് ആമോദത്തോടെ I hope you enjoyed the singing. I know that okay, little bit of delay here and there is there because of our virtual this one. Please bear with us. And
Joyce, I have just one small message before handing it back to you.
Please, sir.
Yeah, today is a day where there's a lot of gratitude expressed, a lot of joy, hope expressed. One second.
Yes, sir.
One of my team members has joined this call.
Yes.
Deepa, just give her a round of applause. And welcome her back.
Okay, thank you so much.
So this is, in the past, she's been a pillar in terms of organizing this, but she's back with us now, and I'm sure going forward, the next few events, she'll be there with us as we take this to the next level. So I just needed to say that I missed that out. Over to you, Joyce.
Thank you, Swami sir. It is wonderful to Deepa to be back along with us, and it is really nice because any program which is happening in Saskin, Deepa is the pillar of that particular thing. Deepa, specifically a special, very happy Onam wishes to you and your family. May God bless you abundantly and be safe, stay healthy, and all the very best. Deepa.
Thank you so much. And I should be thanking Ameya and Vishal to organizing this. I was just hoping it to go well, and then they actually did it, and you guys have supported them. I'm so glad. Very, very nice. Thank you, guys. Happy Onam.
Thanks a lot. So that's the end of this particular virtual Onam meet and greet, which was we have taken some time, overshooted by around 10 minutes. Thanks one and all for joining this virtual Onam celebration, first of its kind in Saskin Technologies. Wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Onam. Thiruvonadina Ashamsagal Ellavarkum. Stay safe, be healthy, and be energetic. And pray for each one of the people who are affected by this pandemic and during this particular time. That's the only thing which is important for all of us to be staying safe and staying healthy. All the very best. Any closing remarks, Edwin, sir?
I think this is a example of what I call the human spirit. Okay, life can throw anything at us, but I think human beings have survived because they find a way to excel and live life in spite of. And I've always said that's what excellence is about. It's never about because of, it's always in spite of. God bless you all once again. Happy Onam, and God continue to bless each of your homes. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Ameya and Vishal, you are the pillars back in this particular program, and I know that okay, you have done a lot of things in the background to make sure that okay, this is happening. Thanks one and all. And over to Manoj Jeta for one last word of thanks.
Thanks, word of thanks.
Manoj, please put your this one video and please share the word of thanks, please.
Yeah, first of all, very happy Onam to all. Thank you so much, Nita Madam, for joining this event. And Edwin sir, thank you so much for addressing us. And Swami sir, thank you so much. And Anu ma'am, thank you so much for addressing the gathering. And thank you all, each participant of this event, and all of the viewers or everybody. I'm wishing you a very happy and a prosperous Onam. Thank you so much.
Bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manojata. And one round of applause for all the people who have worked tirelessly in the background for making this virtual Onam to happen. And thanks a lot, guys, who are tirelessly putting up the effort for making this happen. And a very good evening to all of you. And stay safe, be healthy, be energetic. Thanks a lot. God bless.
God bless.
God bless. Thanks a lot. May I anything?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for being a part of
Thank you,
this,
Swami sir. Thank you,
event.
Anu madam.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.